Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, for example. Then you can try to force restart it, and all you have to do is to simply press the power button, which is located right here, and volume up button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. And let's keep pressing. You have to press it for approximately 10 seconds or maybe 8. So keep pressing until we will see the black screen. And there we've got it. Keep pressing. Alright, I felt the vibration. I can see the developer's logo, so I can release the fingers, and basically it means that we just successfully soft reset the device, and in a second it will be turned on completely, and for sure it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.